we suffered. That's not correct. We are suffering a lot still from at different levels of the supply chain. From finding ingredients, finding commodities to buy, being able to pay them, and assuring the supply up to our warehouses. At the first level, production today of many commodities, and in our case, we are talking about edible oils, whether it is palm oil or sunflower, whatever. At the level of production, there are still many bottlenecks. It is difficult to obtain. It means we are being asked much higher prices than before. Much higher, I'm saying, more than 100% increase in the prices. So it makes it very difficult for us to supply our consumers with the same products they used to, etc., at the same price. It's very difficult. When it comes to transportation, we have also different types of bottlenecks, and it is really difficult to find containers today, and the price surge is absolutely incredible. Just last week, we are quite a big exporter of acyl ghee to Europe, and last week, for instance, while a year and a half ago we were paying $1,000 for a container to ship to Europe, today it is $8,500.